Conwy, 30th of June. Don, Bob, Alan, pirate captain. We're out in Conwy Bay. I'll let you have a look. It's dead.
Just had breakfast.
There's no wind whatsoever.
Hey, haven't we done? What? Just had breakfast off the floor.
Yeah, off the floor.
Well, I don't feel well.
Yeah, and the reason he went on the floor, it was his dodgy steering.
Well, I'm a novice.
There's Don.
All right, Peter.
There's Peter. There is no wind out whatsoever, so as you can see, we haven't got the front sail. I know it's got a name. We've got the mainsail up. There's a dredger. And there's some dodgy looking orange stuff coming towards us. There are some dolphins we're expected to see any time. I'll turn it back on if we do see any. Very calm today.
That's where the green boys disappeared to, but they're hoisting that one out now.
Yep. Yeah, to tell you.
So, how do they know where to stop, where to start dredging? No, they're doing they're lifting that green buoy out. All right. What's this orange stuff here? Oh, we're wondering. It's just
highly radioactive waste from the nuclear power station on. Looks like oil. I think it's some kind of liquid. Don't go in that. Get out of that.
how calm it is now.
That's why your dolphins are gone. We've all been poisoned. What is this shit? We do, and I said I wouldn't swear as well, but we do put some dodgy stuff in the sea. I don't know what this is, but it's not coffee. I can tell you it's not coffee. Alan, jump in. Oh, Bob. Have a quick drink of that.
I can't, I'm staring.
In fact, there's probably dead fish in it as well.
I'm supervising.
See you in a minute.